When we are sick, we love our antibiotics, don't we? They are like superheroes flying in to kill off our sinus infection or any other nasty bug. But there is a problem: collateral damage, friendly fire. Antibiotics don't just kill the bad bugs, they kill the good bacteria as well. And yes, there is good bacteria living in your gut right now, but maybe not enough. And when the antibiotics kill off our good bacteria, that can leave us vulnerable in ways we do not realize. I've always thought it's a temporary problem. And I've been annoyed when a doctor hasn't wanted to give me antibiotics when they tell me it's a virus. The antibiotics can't help. I want those antibiotics, but we really don't, because they are not merely killing off our good bacteria temporarily. Some colonies never recover. Losing good gut bacteria can wreak havoc, causing chronic inflammation, which leads to chronic disease, allergies, autoimmune diseases, and something called SIBO, SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Eesh, we don't want that. And this is why good gut health matters. We need a thriving ecosystem of good bacteria to keep our immunity strong and our bodies resilient. And one superstar strain we all need to know about is called Lactobacillus reuteri. I think I've got that right. Lactobacillus reuteri used to be abundant in humans, but now 96% of us, 96% of us are missing this bacteria. It's a huge loss. I recently learned about L. reuteri from two of my favorite experts, Dr. Eric Berg and Dr. William Davis. He's the guy who wrote Wheat Belly and most recently Supergut and some other titles. They explained how this powerful bacterium helps your gut produce natural antibodies, boost other beneficial bacteria, and might even stimulate that feel-good chemical oxytocin. I want to get me some of that. So, one of the way to restore our good gut health is to eat more fermented foods and foods including polyphenols. Check and check. But here's where it really gets exciting. Dr. Davis has created, getting a little dark for effect, for dramatic impact. Dr. Davis has created a fermented yogurt cultured with the L. reuteri bacterium. And just 1/2 a cup a day could garner incredible benefits like, I'm going to read this list here: firmer skin with fewer wrinkles, restored muscle tone and strength, a libido boost, higher testosterone in men over 50, stronger immunity, and even a smaller waistline. I'm all in on this reuteri revival. I want some, and I am going to make some of this superfood yogurt for myself. And if you want to join me, check back in the next week or two where I will share my experiences. There's a super simple recipe. I'm going to link below the interview that I saw and Dr. Davis's method of making this yogurt. Why not come along on this adventure with me? Let's see what this gut health powerhouse can do. Let's see if we feel any difference. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for commenting. And if you're interested in more tips on good food for good health, I've got some links below you might be interested in. Until next time, stay strong, wise, kind, and good by eating good food for good health. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.